In Android Studio, a live template is a combination of an abbreviation and a bit of template code. When you type the abbreviation and press the Tab key, it expands to the template, and then lets you fill in information. Here are some examples of live templates that Android Studio 4 already includes for use with Kotlin. If I type the word toast in lowercase, I see toast pop up in the autocomplete list. If I press Tab, that expands to a call to the makeText function of the toast class. The cursor lands in the first parameter location, and I can type in something that will be the context. Then when I press Enter or Return, the cursor will jump to the next place where I need to enter something. Here I'm between a couple of double quotes, so I can type any string. After I've filled in all those variable values, the cursor will jump to the end of the template. Here's another example. Let's say I wanted to trace some information and display a message in the logcat window. There are a bunch of templates for this. Log_i would create the code log.i with a tag and a string. Log_d would call the d function, and so on. I'll use the log_i template. The cursor jumps to after the name of the current function on create, and then I can type a custom message. And again, pressing Enter or Return causes the cursor to go to the end of the template. This particular template assumes the existence of a constant named tag. If it doesn't exist, you'll see an error there, and you'll have to create that constant yourself. I'll place the cursor above the class declaration. That's where you create constants for the current class in Kotlin. And I'll create the constant, and I'll give it the name of tag, and that clears the error down here. Now when I run the code, I'll see the message in the logcat window, and the tag will be displayed with my log tag. And I'll run the code to make sure that that's working as expected. As the app starts up, I see the message. Notice that the live templates are organized into categories. Here's where the log functions are stored, and I'll double-click on one of the templates I just used. Notice the use of variable names. This is where you can say, put in the current variable name here, and a lowercase variable is just a spot to locate the cursor. This option, shorten FQ names, is used to add imports. So for example, this is a fully qualified call to the log class. That's what FQ stands for. And by using this option, when I use the template, instead of seeing the exact code I see here, the required import is added automatically. Notice that this particular template is applicable only in Java and not in Kotlin. But there's also a section here for Android Log Kotlin, and these are pretty much the same templates, but they're added to the Kotlin context. So you can create your own templates here by clicking the plus icon and then following the same pattern. Check the documentation for other options for pre-filled values, and use these patterns to create your templates so you can speed up your coding.